Computer sir, please explain the string format style print output.
Okay, Meena, please watch this video. Today, I will be telling you about how we format things using string format feature, right? Then we'll continue further with different types of output formatting, like after string format, we'll also consider taking up f string in next example. Here we are taking three different types of variables: text, float and integer, and we are just printing it using this kind of placeholders, right? So these kind of placeholders are quite popular, which are actually just these curly braces. Okay, and what we are doing is we are using after this string, this double quotes means this is a string, and we are using this dot means this is a object of this string class, and we are using this method format, and then we are passing on the values of name, height and age variable, and automatically this name will go to the first placeholder, age will go to the second placeholder and height will go to the third placeholder, right? Then we'll consider another example. Now within placeholder we are doing some special tricks. This format name, age, height is same, but now this 0 means this is for the first one. The numbering starts from 0 here. This is for the first one, that means this first placeholder is for the name, then second placeholder is for the age, and third placeholder number 2 is for the height. Then name is text, and we are considering taking up to 10 characters for this name. Then for age is integer, we are considering taking 4 characters with number of preceding zeros, whatever is balanced. Say number is 40, so this will be up to 4 characters, so 0040 will come. And this is, as we explained earlier, is 5 total digits and 2 decimal digits of float value, right? So this is entirely, this clearly format with the position. This is first character before colon is position, and after colon is the precision we are considering for text, integer and float, right? And there is another technique where we have shown you that we can even change this order of, like 0 to 1 we have given this position argument here. See, this is same, like in format whatever we have given. So the first we want to display 0th, then we are displaying second, that means height we are displaying, and then we are displaying age. So we can also change the order because position control is in our hands. Okay, so you can easily understand these three things. Now we'll just run this code. Right, this without any precision, this is just simply directly printing within placeholders. There is no position argument or precision argument here. Here directly we are giving position and precision arguments. So this is this first one. See, we are printing in 10 characters. This is 2 preceding zeros are there because total 4 digits are to be there. Then this is total 5 digits, so there are 2 additional here, and then third one is 1. Then this has been approximated. This is 1.6866. Now it is printing 1.69. Now here we have changed in the third one, we have changed the position also. That means first one is at its own position, and second one means 0, 1, 2. This one is, say, see, this one is the first one. This one is the, this one is the 0th one, right? This one is the first one and this one is the second one. Okay, so accordingly we are printing it. So I hope this must be clear to you now, and we will also consider using AI for understanding this further. This Gemini AI is, I have asked explain str.format quickly, so it has Whatever explanation I have given you, it has given in the text form. You can read it out properly. So whatever is the formatting argument index 0, 1, 2, it has explained clearly. And now this is a string we have prepared previously, and then in the next command we have printed it using print then op. Op is the variable in which we have prepared the string. Okay. You can ask me questions in the comments, give your feedback, and please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.